नमस्कार योकर, हांव शुभम शेवळकर आणि नरेश तुमचे सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करता ह्युमन्स ऑफ गोवा ह्या चॅनलाचेर. आज आमी आयला मारगांव शहरांत. मडगांव शहराक वेगळे वेगळे भशेन लोक वळखता. एक डेव्हलप जागो, कल्चरल हब, त्या भशेन वेगळे वेगळे भशेन. नरेश, तुका ह्या शहरान येवन कशें दिसलें?
आतांच आमी स्टार्ट केल्या तर आमकां आतां चड इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळोंक ना, पूण आमी जाणा एक कचऱ्याचे जागो आसा तो व्हडलो इशू आसा.
एक्झॅक्टली सोनसडो तो म्हणटा.
सोनसडो. आनी तेजे उपरांत आमी जे आयकलां लोकां कडेन ट्रॅफिक मॅनेजमेंटाचो इशू आसा, ओपन ड्रेनेजीस आसा, हे जे बारीकशे वस्तू अशी बेसीक, बट इट इज अ बीग प्रॉब्लम फॉर द सिटी ऑफ मारगांव.
बेजिकली तुजें म्हणणें अशें आसा की सिटी जाय म्हणून केल्या पूण प्लेन्ड सिटी ना,
नॉट मेंटेन वेल.
नॉट मेंटेन वेल.
बट आमी पळयतले, तुमकां आमी फुटेजीस दाखयतले, पूण हे ओवरऑल पिक्चर जे आसा तुमकां लास्टाकूय सांगूंक सोदतले आनी आमी तुमकां म्युनिसिपालिटी रिपोर्ट तेजे उपरांतूच दितले. पळयत राव.
तर तेजें म्हटल्यार तुमी पळयत रावात.
हे पळयात, आमी आतां मारगांव बस स्टँडा सायडीक आसा. आनी शुभम, कितें दिसता तुका?
सी बेजिकली आमी फूल मडगांव भोंवल्यात. मडगांव भोंवन मेजर पार्ट सोनसडो सुद्दां पळयलो. सोनसड्याचेर कशें म्हटल्यार कचरो एक्चुली तो सेग्रिगेशन जावंक जाय, प्रॉपर मॅनेज करूंक जाय आशिल्लो, तें करूंक ना, तें कळ्ळें. हांगा येवन पळयलां आनी डंपींग ते सोडत ते जळयता, अक्षरशः जळोवपाक लागले, which got ill effects, many ill effects. So you can't do this thing actually. Against the law of environment.
आनी जेन्ना प्लास्टीक बंद जाता तेन्ना तितूंतले टॉक्सिक्स भायर सरता. आनी ते टॉक्सिक्स इज कॅन्सरस. आनी जे भुरगे ती रेजिडेन्शियल कितें आसा हिंगा, ते भोंवता नाल्यार कितें आसा, तांकां कॅन्सर जावपाचे शक्यताय आसा. आता आम्ही वॉर्ड नंबर 5 येयल्या आणि वॉर्ड नंबर 5 दिपश्री मॅडम आसा, ती फर्स्ट टाइम कंटेस्ट करता ह्या जाग्यार. मॅडम, थँक्यू आमकडे उलोवपाक. आता तुम्ही सांगा तुमचो विषय कितें आसलो कंटेस्ट करपाक?
विषय म्हणजे पयलीं म्हटल्यार म्हाका सोशल वर्कराची खूब आवड आसा
हम्म,
आनी हांव बारीक 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 कितें करीत आशिल्ली
हम्म.
तातूंतल्यान 12-13 वर्सां जालीं हांव दामू बरोबर काम करता
ओके.
त्या हातूंत म्हाका एक दामून तिकीट दिल्या 5 नंबराची ताजें म्हाका कितें तरी करून दाखोवपाक जाय सोशल वर्क अशें करता ताजें म्हाका आनी कितें तरी करून दाखोवपाक जाय 5 वर्डान आमकां कितें काम करून लोकांची हें करपाक जाय म्हणजे लोकांक सॅटिस्फाय करपाक जाय मागीर कशें कितें तरी आमच्या वर्डाक काम केलें
म्हणजे बाय डिफॉल्ट दामून दिला म्हणजे बीजेपी बॅक सपोर्ट
या
तुमचा पण तुमचो विजन कितें आसा कितें म्हण करूंक सोदता तुमी तुमच्या वाड्यार
कितें म्हणजे जे कितें जावंक ना लोकांचे गटर जावंक ना आमी वता कॅम्पेनिंगाक गटर जावंक ना जावं गार्बेज आमची बरोबर व्हरना जावं आनी कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा वायट जायते लोक सांगता ताजेर हांव स्टडी करून एवढे स्टडी करून तांचो प्रॉब्लेम हांव सॉल्व करता
पूण आतां आमी मारगांव आतां हितून भोंवल्या आनी तेतून आमकां खुबशे इश्यू दिसले मेजर इश्यू तुमकां मनाक लागता ते कसले इश्यू आसा तुमी जे इश्यूचेर तुमी तुमचे कावन्सिलर घेवन काम करतले
मेन म्हणजे संसद न्ही आमचो संसदाचें काम जावपाकूच जाय तें बाकी कॉन्स्टिट्युशन सगळेच गार्बेजचो प्रॉब्लेम हे आसा मागीर नेक्स्ट आमचो म्हटल्यार बस स्टँड सगळ्या गांवांनी बस स्टँड जाले मडगांव कित्याक जावना मडगांव हो जावपाकूच जाय मडगांव बस स्टँड हो जावपूच जाय
ओके
ताजेर आमी अशी चळवळ करतली
आनी तुमची मार्केट इतले बरी स्टेटान ना तुमकां दिसता कितें करून जाता तें
ना हाजेर म्हाका बरें हें ना
पण तुमी काम करतले
हय काम करतली जाय
तुमकां आमी ऑल द बेस्ट म्हणटा
Thanks.
तुमचे एका कॅन्डिडेट तुमी रावल्या तुमी येत आनी तुमचे कावन्सिलर फुडें घालून बरें करून करून थँक्यू सो मच आतां आमी वॉर्ड नंबर 13 येयल्या आनी हांगा आमी डॉरिस मॅडमाक मेळपाक येयल्या आनी पळयत जाल्यार आमकां दिगंबर बाबूय आमकां धडलो पूण डॉरिस मॅम कशें चल्लें तुमची कॅम्पेनींग
व्हेरी गूड म्हाका रिस्पॉन्स खूब बरो मेळ्ळलो आसा जशें हांवें चिंतलेलें तेज्यान बरें कोंबा एरिया म्हाका रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळलो पार्ट वॉर्ड नंबर 13 आमचो वॉर्ड आसा तो म्हाजो ओन पार्ट पेडा खारेबान हांवें काम केलां 10 वर्सां काम केलां तो पार्ट हितून आसा आनी तो पार्ट म्हाका लास्ट इयर नासलोलो तो 5 वर्सां जालो तो निग्लेक्टेड आसा आमी गेले जाल्यार लोक सांगतात आमी कावन्सिलरां चोयना कांय काम करूना सो थिंगा रिस्पॉन्स बी बरो आसा तसोच रिस्पॉन्स म्हाका हिंगा कोंबा
मेजर इश्यूज कितें आसा
मेजर इश्यूज आसा इज व्हेरी मायनर थिंग्स दे ते गटर क्लीन करूना म्युन्सिपालिटी मीन्स गटर गार्बेज ती क्लीन करूना कोणाची झाडां प्रॉमिस केल्ली ती करूना आनी मेजर आसा की आतां ह्या फावटी आमी चिंतला की लोकांची सजेशन घेवन एक बरें डेव्हलपमेंट करता कित्याक एवरी इयर ते सेम जाता हे गटर डेव्हलपमेंट सो दिस टायम वी आर गोईंग इन अ बिग विजन to develop taking the people together and doing something big which will be seen for the society not for personal anybody but for the society
and what is this big if you can give us a glimpse
that we will sit and we will decide like where there is an open space we will develop it where there are where there is the garden for children where there is a walking there is a walking way to joggers park to be kept so we will take the citizen into confidence and we will do this.
So the one of the major issue if when you have to get elected is the Sosondo.
संसद
Yeah.
So what is your this on that table?
See, Soslo is a major issue which has to be done, which I alone, the councillors cannot do. It is the chief minister, the UD minister, everybody, all the three MLAs, everybody, because we are never taken into confidence in that CM's meeting. It is not a councillors who go for the meeting. It is only the chairperson, the CEO, and the CM does the meeting. So it is when everybody comes together, we will try to solve this problem this time also.
सर दोन उतरात तुमकडे तुमचो मॉडल मारगांव तुम्ही इनिशिएटिव्ह लिडरशिप पूण तुमकां ऑपोजीट अ वायब्रंट व्हॉट इज द टिल्ट लायक व्हॉट यू फील सर
I have left it to the people of Margao
ओके
to decide and give a judgment.
ओके
I am approaching the people with what I have done, what I am doing, my accessibility, everything. I don't have to tell people because most of the people in Margao have visited my house for some work or the other. They have experienced my knowledge, they have experienced me, how I function, how I do the work, how I am accessible to the people even during night time. So these are lots of strong points of mine which people, many people tell me you don't have to come. We'll support your candidate.
But this time you have also Vijay Sadasan go forward supporting your.
So in 2015 also we had an understanding that in Fathoda he will forward his panel. In Margao I will forward my panel. In Fathoda he has put up a panel under me for Fathoda. In Margao we have last time also same arrangement was there. And then we held a council also initially for 1 year, 1.5 years.
So last thing, what is your appeal to the people?
I appeal to the people. You see who is backing the candidate. Whole thing depends ultimately zeroes down to the service provided to the people, help provided to the people in emergency. Now in COVID situation, people of Margao have experience who have helped them. So they also know that these are the people who can be trusted. They are trustworthy. They can be counted upon in emergency. So those people will always support those candidates who they know who is behind them. For example, Margao model, I am moving house to house. I am meeting the people. I am telling them that I am backing this candidate. I vouch for this candidature. I take the responsibility. If he doesn't do anything, he can directly come to me because my house is accessible. I am accessible to the common man. They can phone me and tell me also their work. So that has been my policy.
We wish you all the best. Hope you all come forward and do something great for as your vision for Margao.
Thank you very much.
आम्ही वॉर्ड नंबर 12च्या कॅन्डिडेटाक मेळपाक गेल्या मिस्टर ब्लॅम. कशें चल्लें तुमची कॅम्पेनिंग?
बरी चलता आतां सद्याक जायतो सपोर्ट आहा लोकांचो.
ओके.
आतां people are trying to see a new change, a young change. So I have decided in my own terms that I should stand up for the people. आनी जायतीं कामां म्हाका करपाक इंट्रस्ट आहा. I am a businessman and my shop is in Chinchini. I have an electronics store. And I've just recently started and I'm trying to work along with the people to understand their problem, what they are facing. So आता development जाता नानी, but it's a very slow process. Development म्हणटा आतां दुसऱ्यांनी शारांनी जाल्यार चोयल्या जाल्यार जायतो डेव्हलपमेंट फास्ट स्पीड जाता. हालीं आमचे हांगा आय डोंट नो फॉर वॉट रिजन्स पूण जायते स्लो जाता when people are wanting the change to happen, which is not happening.
So what are the changes you're looking in your ward?
See, I'm trying to focus on cleanliness. That's a basic necessity. Like in terms of water, electricity, and cleanliness, that is the most important now. Now you see, now in this COVID pandemic, lots of people have lost their jobs. आता गोंयकार शिपिनी आहा ते आतां परतून आयल्यात. Now and they are searching for jobs. Many of them have found, some of them have not found. Some people have loans. Some of them are looking for. Some of them have come out the streets. They have started their small businesses like in vegetables, vegetable इंका लागल्या आनी जायते हें आहा. Some people are enthusiastic. पूण होच जाण कितें आहा, they are still searching for answers. So I want to be there for the people where I can help them out. कितें जावं कितले कसो
So you want to try and help with the government schemes and
Yeah.
to divert it to them in different ways that way.
Yeah, in different ways. Help them to come out and be self-sufficient.
Yes.
Now youth, सगळे youth, they should be, आतां चोयला just you read some days back की employment जावना. Many people are unemployed.
Okay.
So तांकां help करून to give them a way. Okay, हे option आहा. If you are not getting a job, okay, the entrepreneurship is there. There are many other options. You should look out for them. जायते जाण धाकलेशें कितें जावं. Maybe it's small thing, but there is a vast future for it. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So in that way, I am trying to help people, especially the youth. The youth, they also know what is happening. Yeah, I mean, government कित जाता, what are the illegality happening. They see from their own eyes, but they don't want to come out. Some of them are coming out, some of them they are inside. They don't want to come. They want to see what is happening. So I am requesting the youth, whoever youth who are out there, to come out and vote and bring the change. See,
That's good.
All how many senior citizens are. You saw assembly किती हाते. You have seen the result, but there is no change happening. मुटे changes कोतले when they come to ask for vote मुटा येते changes कोतले पहिले starting किती rost कोतले ओके किती कोतले पण आता हे पाड elect जाऊन येल मुटरी काही हे करू सोदना माय बसतले फाटल्यान. and especially in Margao जायते candidates आहा for the councillors आहा पयलींचे आहा की they come, they ask for a vote मारले जाले बाकी 5 वर्सां मागीर ते दिसती पडना. My putun after 5 years the putun vote
Correct,
magala.
correct.
How can we vote for these people?
Yeah.
And to tell you, I have been voting for before now. First time I'm come out to contest the election. Now before that I don't know who is my candidate.
Yeah.
I have not seen that candidate.
Yeah.
Who is the candidate? I have heard a name, the person's name, but I have never seen her. I have seen her seen the person 2-3 months back before this was announced. She came and started doing some work and done. This is not right.
Right, yeah.
You should, if you're working for the people, you should work for the whole 5 years.
Yeah.
What my point?
Correct. You have a great intention. Let's listen to him also. So you are supporting him
Yeah.
from a panel. What's the name?
My name is Rock Mascarenes. I represent the citizens for Sosro, one of the organizations besides Shadow Council of Margao and Goa with Love.
Yeah.
We all got together and we formed a group called Citizen Choice for MMC.
Okay.
And we have put up candidates around 11 of them
Okay.
all around the city.
Okay.
4 in Fatorda, 4 in Margao and 3 in the Kurtari part.
Okay.
We have put up young, energetic, educated young youth and people who would be raring to go and do the change which is required for the people of Margao.
So what are the vision of this entire group?
We have made a manifesto in a sense where normally, if you ask me, the panel which have been put by the ruling people, they are the same people who have been doing jobs here, and that is how what Valm has been talking about, that we don't see any change, that if the same people are being elected, and as citizens, we got together and we made sure that we put up a panel. Right thinking young people coming together and putting up a panel. Like for example, I was a petitioner in the High Court to clear the legacy dump at Sonsado. We won a case and that's how we have got this cleared. None of these people in the establishment were there. We had this HPC consisting of MLAs from Margao, Fatorda and Kurduri. They could not do anything. That somebody from the civil society had to go to the High Court, win a case, and that legacy dump had to be removed.
Okay.
What are all these city fathers doing? This is a chance that young people should be elected to take up the charge of the city, and our people who will be there in this election, they are the people who are going to take charge for the ward people, and we will not be deciding over them. What we are going to do is, we have given them a vision and we will give them the guidance.
Okay.
Besides, whatever that is required good for the people of the ward, our candidates will be looking after.
So, ma'am, all the best to you and to your entire panel, and we think that you all should work hard, obviously, as a youth to come out and give more vision and get more prosperity to Margao. All the best to you all.
Thank you very much.
Actually, I wanted to add another point tonight.
We're done. What do you want to add?
No, like we have started with this in our manifesto. We have announced that we are going to do something like a Gram Sabha concept in Margao, especially where like how this Gram Sabha
Okay,
takes
so
place.
let's start.
We have mentioned in our manifesto something about a Gram Sabha where we want to do it in Margao so that we give all the power to the people. However, in the villages that we have Gram Sabhas where people come together, they discuss the issues. In the same way, we want to do it in Margao. Start small like a Gram Sabha, call all the people
And
from
give them
our
the powers.
and give them the power to choose what they want in their ward, what they do not want. See, it should not be that people elect us so that in order we work for them. So they should also have a right to tell us what they want in the ward, what they do not want, what changes would they like, what are the illegalities, all those issues they can bring together, do like a Gram Sabha. Though it's not mentioned anywhere, but we want to start with that concept so that people should come to know about it. People should express the ideas and so on.
आता आम्ही वॉर्ड नंबर 3 हांगा येयल्या आणि वी आर मीटिंग एडवोकेट सियोला. Thanks for meeting with us.
Yeah,
I
thank
understand
you.
you had a busy schedule today.
I did, yes.
How was the campaign going?
Campaign is very good. Mostly we are moving around in the evening because of the hot sun. It's not very good for the volunteers also to move out during the day, so we are moving out in the evening. This evening also we have a plan to be out and about.
So what are the issues in ward number 3 that you're going to look at?
My manifesto is already prepared, and just on Gudi Padwa and on the eve of Ramadan, I had released my manifesto covering 14 points.
Okay.
All of the 14 points have been included only after consultation with the people of the ward.
Okay.
Ward is about 3 kilometers, and so each area is different. Each
Different
area has a
issues.
different issue.
Yeah.
And we have, it's a hilly area.
Okay.
So we have stormwater drainage issues also, which
Okay.
are a bit unique to this ward.
Okay.
So those are the issues which have been put in the picture. Also remember, this ward number 3 for Margao is the welcoming ward of Margao. As you enter Margao from outside, this is the first ward that you will be welcomed by. And unfortunately, you are welcomed by a stench. There is sewage stench near Presentation Convent High School, and which is very close to my house. It's close by over here.
Okay.
And district hospital. Now you can imagine, district hospital, you have patients, they need to be safe and free from any disease. You have children who are studying at Presentation, from the smallest to the oldest, and their health also is at stake. So I have taken up that as my point number 1, that I need to get rid of the stink because of the sewage.
So that's your first job that you
Sewage is going to have to be taken care of. It
Okay.
also affects the Dawande people, because that entire field, the soil gets affected over there. So that is the first thing that has to be tackled.
So, Siala, you seem to be quite sensitized about the issues, okay? But you're also part of Shadow Council of Margao, right?
Yes, yes.
So, with their support, you plan to achieve all these things. How does it look as an entire council? How does it look for the panel to? How do you think you have good chances to get into the council?
Yeah, because what happens, when we talk about panel, you have a BJP panel, a Congress panel, or whatever it is. So it is not the case that everybody from that panel is going to win.
Yeah.
Already BJP spokesperson has made a statement that he's expecting 15 councillors to win. So he has already conceded, he's already conceded defeat in the other wards. And he has also said that in Fatorda, he's expecting about 7 seats. So he's already conceding defeat in the rest. Okay, so this, after knowing, that means there is an opening. Secondly, Congress has not gone very strong at all. In my ward itself, ward number 3, in my ward there is a Digambar Congress-backed candidate who is the Goa Forward candidate. There is the Fatorda block-backed Congress candidate, and there is the Mahila Congress candidate.
So there's kind of a divide within themselves as well.
Yeah, that is apparent only. But also I'm saying, to give a person to the ward, to bring up a candidate in the ward, why 3 Congress people are required? So it is making no sense.
Yeah.
You have to back 1.
Yeah.
And over here we have all the parties trying to get in. But unfortunately, when it comes to Goa Forward, they chose a candidate from outside the ward.
Okay.
This is something nobody is happy about. Yeah, his proposer might be happy, the person who proposed him. But other than that, people are not very excited about it.
Yeah.
In our ward, we have 500 youngsters present and voting. I'm not talking about the ones in UK and the ones in in some other part of the world.
Yeah.
These are the people who are present and voting. There are around 500
Okay.
across all castes and across all religions. You did not find even one of my ward youngsters to contest? Is that not a slap on my face and the face of my people? I think that we should reject these candidates. We need somebody who's from the soil. We need somebody who's of this blood.
So the last question to you is, you understand that there's a lot of garbage issue here. Okay, your first priority is sewage, but also the garbage is soon all around Margao be visited. So what's your take on that?
It's very interesting you ask this question. Here also I want to attack on a political side. Garbage, no. One is the Sosro issue, yes. But otherwise everywhere on the road, like you are reporting also now, you will always find that there is some garbage strewn about. Even here there is one dump site where at night there are people who come from outside the ward, they dump. There is no CCTV camera, so you cannot charge them a 5,000 rupee fine, and it is all very futile. So that is also something that we need to tackle. It's also there in my manifesto.
Okay.
Now, one of the things about garbage also is the Goa Forward chief has come on record to say that certain, I'm paraphrasing now, okay, but certain issues of Margao are perennial and legacy issues and they cannot be solved. I'm paraphrasing. But he has come on record saying such a thing, and that because of this reason he would prefer a separate council for Patorda, he has said.
Okay.
These are dreams. But what happens is, if you are putting a panel and then you are saying, I will not be able to handle a Sosro issue, I will not be able to let Margao councillors handle Sosro issue, Patorda councillors will not handle Sosro issue. What does it mean? Does it mean that our council with 25 people will work on half staff of just maybe 12 people?
Yeah.
So you want only 12 people to work for the Sosro issue? Reject these candidates.
We really appreciate the kind of views you have and the kind of sensitivity you have about your ward and of Margao. And we wish you the best.
Thank you.
We hope you do come and we get new blood in the stream so that we can get this issue sorted out as soon as possible.
Yes,
Thank you so much for meeting with us.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
आज आम्ही मडगांव म्युन्सिपालिटी भोंवल्ले आसा 25 वार्डांनी कंटेस्टंट रावल्ले आसा आनी आमी स्टार्ट केले सोनसोड्यासून सोनसोड्या तो पुराय म्युन्सिपालिटी भोंवले मार्केट म्हणत नाल्यार ओल्ड आमचे मारगांव म्युन्सिपालिटी मार्केट भोंवले न्यू म्युन्सिपालिटी मार्केट भोंवले सगळे भोंवन पळयल्ले आसा तितून नरेश आतां तूं सांग कितले तूं पॉयंट्स दिवपाक सोदता ह्या म्युन्सिपालिटीक
आमी चितल्या आख्खे म्युन्सिपालिटीन भोंवन 5 out of 10 आमकां दिसता पूण हेतून खुबशे इश्यूज आसा एक मेन इश्यू म्हणल्यार एक तर आमकां गार्बेजीचो इश्यू तर आसाच इतलो गार्बेज भरला दॅट इज देर इन एवरी सिटी
बरोबर
पूण मिसमॅनेजमेंट जे चल्ले दॅट मीन द म्युन्सिपालिटी हॅज नॉट परफॉर्म विलिंगली अशें आमकां दिसूंक येयलें आमी बरे कॅन्डिडेट्स मेळ्ळे आमी तुमी आयकले आसतले ते कॅन्डिडेटाचो विजन आयकले तांकां कितें आसा तांकां कितें करपाची इच्छा आसा तें पळोवन आमकां खूब खुशी बसता आमकां दिसता हे नॅक्स्ट म्युन्सिपालिटी इलेक्शन जें आतां येवपाचें आसा तितून डिसिजन जर बरें जायत जाल्यार मारगांव लुकींग फॉरवर्ड फॉर अ गूड फ्युचर
सध्या मॉडर्न मारगांव मागीर वायब्रंट मारगांव अशे अनेक तरेचे क्लबिंग्स जाल्ले आसा ग्रुप्स जाल्ले आसा आनी तेंच्यांनी आपले कॅन्डिडेट्स घाल्ले आसा फॉर द इलेक्शन पळोवया इलेक्शन जाल्या नंतर कावंटींग जाल्या नंतर नवे जे कॅन्डिडेट्स म्हटले इलेक्ट जावन येतले ते कितें करतले आनी कितले भलायकी हाडटले ह्या मारगांव एरियेत
तुमी हो व्हिडिओ शेअर करा सबस्क्रायब करा आमच्या चॅनलाक आनी आमकां असोच तुमी तुमचो फीडबॅक दीत रावयात आनी आमी तुमकां बऱ्याने बरे व्हिडिओ काडून तुमकां आमी दाखयतले आनी प्लीज ह्या व्हिडिओक तुमी
जाता तितले शेअर करा
शेअर करा
देव बरें करूं